This course is your investment into outcome. I will provide you with the desired results that you are looking for. And I will not irritate you with too much information because this course is focusing on YouTube transformation, not information. But what does this mean? I want to make this course as efficient as possible in getting people the transformation they are looking for. And it is for anyone who is looking to build a targeted, hot audience with tons of leads on autopilot every single day from YouTube and to skyrocket to 1 million subscribers. I will share strategies that will transform you and your current work with YouTube platform. Now you have to try these strategies. They will blow your mind. They are incredible, and I know that because I have clients who have gone all the way up to 1 million subscribers completely organically by using these strategies. I'm sure that you will become my happy student and my greatest ambassador. Again, this course is not based on the amount of information. What you're applying here is the outcome, and I will provide you with that outcome. So you have to take action to make this work, and you have already decided to take that and make that change by watching this introduction video. Your experience level at this point does not matter. It doesn't matter if you're a total newbie or a YouTube vet. It's all about taking one step at a time. So what you are going to do? You can take what you know about YouTube and to do it yourself, and I know how it turns out when I try to do that, or you can get into this course that uncovers the right directions so that you can blow up with 1 million subscribers on YouTube, because you will understand how the YouTube algorithm works.